Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie. Maybe someday Charlie will come join us again. One of these unboxings, I'm going to go grab him and just hold on to him because I know people like to see him. He is such a little character. I don't think I told the story of how we got Charlie. We had BB as a single dog, and I kind of decided that BB likes other dogs. She needs a pack. So I told my husband, you know, I'm thinking of maybe we should get another dog for BB. I saw her interacting with my brother's dogs. So that's what made me think of it. And then I saw on Facebook, somebody posted, I know you're not supposed to do this, but she posted, I have to move and I can't take my dog, and I'm looking for a new home for him. So I wrote to her. I wasn't home at the time. I was visiting my parents. I wrote to her and I said, I'm very much interested. Tell me about him. She said, oh, he's, 1 year old. He's purebred Yorkie. He knows his name. He knows some commands. He's potty trained. He's had all his shots. He's been neutered. I said, wow, that's wonderful. So I wrote to my husband, or I called my husband. I wasn't going to leave that one to an email. And said, honey, I'm thinking I'd like to have this dog. And he said nothing. No answer. And I thought, well, that's actually good news because he didn't say no. So when I got home, the lady brought Charlie over, and he was just adorable. And I feel sorry for a mailman. These dogs would tear him apart if they could. Just kidding, they would. So long story short, we got Charlie. He was nothing like the woman had said. He knew his name, but that's it. He knew no commands. He was covered in fleas. He'd never been neutered. He'd never had a single shot. He had not been groomed. His hair was down to the ground and beyond. Matted, dirty. He was a sad puppy. So we spent a lot of time and a lot of money getting Charlie all fixed up. Literally. Oh, I ripped it. So I turned the camera off because the dogs were barking. And it was our new neighbor coming home. And BB just had to scream at him. And when I opened the door to check the mail, Charlie went running outside. So that was a test in whether he comes when he calls. He comes when I call, which he does not. But I called for about 5 minutes, and he stood there looking at me. And finally, he walked back in the door. Do you hear that ripping? When these are so curled up, they really can be difficult to peel. And maybe not for the normal person, but I have this stupid weak arm. I shouldn't say stupid, it didn't do anything wrong. This very weak arm that is uncoordinated because of my stroke. So I kind of struggle a little bit here. But you know, if you just are persistent, eventually it works. Okay, so this is it's big, 50 by 60 full drill square, and it's this beautiful, I got it really big because I wanted all the details. It's a beautiful butterfly, and it's kind of, there's extra colors in there. It's kind of, looks kind of feathery, like you could see the wind around it. I'll put the picture up for you. And then I'm gonna peel it down, hopefully. Oh, I so wish I had a big table, you know. I live in this tiny little apartment. After we moved out of our house, we moved into this little apartment. So I don't have the fancy drafting table that a lot of you ladies have. I have a lap desk. I have a bed. I have a table that's outside on the deck that maybe if we get a couple weeks of decent weather, I may work out there. I do give thought to the fact that then my neighbors are going to think I'm that crazy lady talking to herself. Okay, here we go. There we go. Can't really see it very well, but it is big and bulky. I think it's going to be beautiful. The symbols are a little funky. It's got those crazy symbols that are like a half moon and a line, an arrow left, an arrow right. I'm just putting this last piece on here to cover all the sticky. Let's see, there's a lot of colors. Is there a number? Or no, just symbols. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 35, 37, about 37, maybe 38 colors, depending on how well I can count. Whew, that's a good one. That's very pretty. I really like that one. It's going to be a big project. What did I say? Yeah, 50 by 60. Let me put that over there and grab the drills. You know it's a big one when the drills look like this. That's bigger than some canvases come rolled up or folded up. I have an inventory sheet. The link is always in the description. Oh, 36 colors. There we go. They're numbered on the inventory sheet. And they're very pretty. Again, there's a lot of purples and blues. Pink's kind of a dusty rose color. Bright pink. Bright orange will be nice little highlights. So I'm going to do some inventory. I'm going to zip through and then I'll check back with you. Okay, all finished. I had to look around for some of the colors, and one I forgot to check off. And I had to go back into the bag and pull everything out, but it's there. I just forgot to check it off. And this looks really nice. The colors are beautiful. The drills are all clean, nothing oily. This is going to be a fun one to do. So thank you again for tuning in. I really appreciate everybody watching my videos. I'm a little bit shocked by how well things are going, and I look forward to talking to more people and more lives. And if you like my videos, hit likes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you're reminded. I'm trying to do at least one video every day, so that's exciting. I'm having a wonderful time. Come join the Facebook group. We're having a good time. I'm on Twitter and Instagram. And you have a fantastic day. Happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.